flatbed on it. So it looks a lot shorter than Brian's. But anyway, so we moved into this 1977 Ford. Coming up next is Al Betterley. And how did it go last night there? Brian, you got, did you win one? Did he win one?
Well, he got second in the 58, and I got third in the 58.
Okay, he got a second, you got a third. So
yeah.
he was ahead of that one time. Did you only pull one time last night?
Well, we got kind of wiped out in the heavy class.
Okay. We're don't talk about the other.
No.
You really only pulled once.
Yeah.
And we're talking about the St. Croix County Fair down in Glenwood City. That was last night's show. So one puller to go here. Then we're going to be having a 5,500-pound street legal class. Line will be coming in right away. Courier pigeon right now on the way. It's not really a pigeon, it's just a young man. $314 and 8. No, $314 and 4 for Albert. Just a little bit ahead of maybe everybody.